Hey guys, here's another video. I've got this SOUNDLAB turntable to have a look at today. Just show you here, that's the model there. It's a SOUNDLAB G056A. And as you can hear, there's something rolling around inside. Let's have a look at that. Okay, first thing I'm going to undo the screws at the back. Once I've switched off the power, just speed this section up. And here you can see, once I've got the back cover off, this inside, and you can see the article rolling around there. I think it's a bit of glue that's dislodged. Show you there, that's what was rolling around inside, just a bit of the glue come off, which hold the wires in place. Just bin that. Let me show you around here. This got a couple of adjusters inside, and that's where the glues come off, that section there. Like I said, there's little blobs of glue to hold the wires in place. Okay, so I'll just pop that back on, put the back cover back on. Going to get that lined up like so, and then it's just a matter of speeding section up again. Just put the screws back in. Okay, I've managed to connect it up to a Wi-Fi system, and it needs a dedicated port. As you can see here, it's plugged into the phono port. Can't use a Bluetooth speaker on these, or external speaker. It's got to be amplified, and it seems to be working okay. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.